Do you feel the vibes?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am gonna be showing some lines of code we have to do to finally make our player move in this video. It's gonna be very exciting because we are actually making our player move in this video. So let's get into the video right now. So the first step is open up your game. I've already opened it up just to give us a little boost. So yep, once you've opened it up, click your controller script, make that open up, and then once you're in that, wait for it. Alright, once you're in that, we left our code like this. So the thing is, you want to have the one thing I want to erase immediately is this little line right here. Just erase that little bit, so it's like it only says if axle.motor. That's all you want it to say. And in those parentheses, you want to put in these like little parentheses, you want to put right here. So right here, there, you want to put axle and then dot left wheel. Oh, capital W. Make sure. I nearly just made a mistake. So capital W, make sure it's a capital W, then dot motor. There we go, it's right there. It quickly just auto corrects it for you. And then equals, make sure to add that space as well, motor, and then a semicolon to end it off. Then you're going to push enter and then make this other line. You can just copy this whole line to make this faster. Just copy it and then paste it down here and change this left to right. So now these two lines, what they mean is that oh wait, I made a mistake, one sec. There we go. That's how you spell right. So what these two lines basically mean are, so when the if the motor is on, these two wheels have to be spinning and stuff. So yeah. Okay, now the second line we're gonna do is in these two parentheses. So once so go in them and then write so right here, wait, push enter and write if, and then a space parentheses and then axle dot steering. There we go, it came. And yeah, that's it. And then once you've done that, go over to you don't need this space really, so I'm just gonna delete it. Let's quickly delete that space. There we go. And then once you've done that, you want to go in into the little parenthesis here and push enter right here, and then press and then type in axle dot left wheel and then dot steering angle equals not equals space equals space and then steering, and put a semicolon, and then we can just copy this line again. It's basically we're writing the same line. All we're doing is putting another word in. So then push enter right here and control V and then write right in this. So right. There we go. So that is basically all of the code we need to write in this video. It was a really short video, and yeah, so this is all the code we need to end it off, so our game actually works. So finally, all I'm going to teach you in this video is comments, which is not the YouTube comments. They're code comments for programmers to have notes for. So like, for example, you can put a comment about all of this code, about what it does, and yeah. So I'm just going to be doing my comments right now. So in over here, you guys can copy me if you want, because these are just reminders. So like if you come back to this one day, you can always see what this code all means. So yeah. So how you do a comment is you do a / and a / till it turns green. So if I type anything, it's all green. So that's when you know it's a comment. And the thing that a comment is basically, it won't actually, like, all of this code is gonna be run when we run our game. But a comment, it's basically invisible. You can't really see it. The computer like that's running our code won't see it at all. It's like it acts like it's invisible because it's coded to not be shown. So for example, I write code here, this will not be run. So if I literally take out, that's why we need the /. So if I take out this is just like, look, it will give us an error. Every one of these will be an error. So yeah. But if we put 2 / and write anything, it won't be an error. So yeah. And yeah, so I'm just gonna type in my comments. So yep. So I'm just gonna write for the Axel area. So what the Axel does. So Axel class, and then that defines what a Axel write does. Yep. And so that's our comment for this area. For the max controller area, I'm just gonna do 2 / and write the controller, and then script, and then write let our character, character, oh my god, I spelled that so wrong, oh my gosh, oh my god, I had literally forgotten how to spell character, oh my gosh, okay, there we go. That's how you spell character, and then move. There we go. Okay, I literally forgot how to spell character, but okay, don't talk about that. So yep, that's my comments. So this would remind me. So and you can always also do comments on the side, so a space and then like this and then blah blah blah, whatever you want. I just don't like putting it on the side. Before I do anything, I am gonna make a comment for these 2 lines, because these 2 lines will get you confused. These are the only 2 lines that I'll make a comment on the side. So yeah, this is for vertical. So movement for vertical, and then I'll write in little thingies, brackets, W and S. So like the actual keys, they're the vertical keys that will get you to move vertical. And I'll just copy and paste this line. So no, the comment, hello, there we go. And then Control V is just, we'll take out 2 of these, there we go. Movement for horizontal, just rub out the whole thing. We could have just typed in that. Horizontal. There we go. And then you want to write A and D. So A, A, and then a capital D. So that's for the keys. So yep. And yeah, that's really all of the comments I wanted to put. So yeah. Now all we're gonna do is save our code. So file, and then where is it? Come on, save all, and then it'll pop up as green. Then we're gonna go back to Unity, just click somewhere so the code, you'll see you can't move for a bit, then you can, because it's just traveling all the code back to your Unity. So now if you want to know if you saved it right and you have the code in your Unity, all you can press is your controller, don't double click it, and you'll see all the code that is in your thing. You can even go check back and you'll see the same code. So yeah, that's how you know. And now finally, the moment everyone's been waiting for, we're gonna test out if the game works. So let's go. And yes, our car is official. Oh no, don't go off the edge. And we can turn. Oh no, come back. Oh my god, it's so fast. Jeez. See, look, that's when, look, see, wait, that's why we wrote the code for colliding, see? Otherwise it would have gone through the pole. See, look, now it's colliding with it, see? Yes. Let's go. It's so fast. Oh no, I think I lost it. Oh, okay. Okay. But yeah, as you can see, the car is officially moving. Please use WASD to move. Don't use the arrow keys because it won't not work. Yeah, so W is forward, S is backward, A and D are for side. Like, look, if I do that, it twists the car. And if I do D, it twists it that way, and I can move forward and backward and back. Wait, come on, backward and come on, no. I want the thingy to face us. Come on, come back. No. Alright, it's like a game, bro. Oh my god, I don't know how to drive a car, so okay. Oh no, come back. Yes. Yay! Okay, there we go. So that is, yeah. So our car is officially moving. And yeah, so that's all I was gonna show oh no, we're off the edge now. Alright, whatever. So that's all I was gonna show everyone, all you guys today. If these videos are helpful to make your car and stuff, to make these racing games and stuff, please drop a like and sub if you want to learn more, because this isn't the start. This isn't even the start yet. This is just well, it is the start. Well, yeah, it is the start, but we got a lot ahead of ourselves, because soon we are going to be making our very own obstacles, and we're going to be able to play this game with our friends online. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos as well, coming soon, like in maybe a month. So yeah. And we're also soon gonna be making a racetrack, so our player can go on, and our camera is not going to be staying in the same place. So as you can see right here, our camera doesn't move if our character moves, and you see in like other 3D games, our character actually moves. Come back and go. It's way too fast. We gotta put down the fastness. Oh my god. Okay, I think we lost it. Yeah, we definitely lost it. So as you can see, it gets a bit confusing when you lose the character, but yeah. So yeah, that is basically all I was gonna show you guys in this video. So I hope this helped you move your character for the first time, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. But make sure before anything happens, save, and then I am gonna see you all in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Do you feel the